This is how to add font to Opus Clip. So here on the Opus Clip, what you will do is just simply go on the left side of the screen and just simply go for this icon over here, the brand template, or the three box with a plus icon. And from here on the right side, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here the font. So click on the font over here and go for custom fonts and it will redirect you over here. So guys, from here, as you can see, only TTF and OTF fonts are supported. So just simply upload your font over here and just simply wait for it to load up. And once it is uploaded, guys, you can just simply go ahead and go back to your brand template. And now if we scroll down, we should be able to see here the font. And as you can see in the custom font, we should be able to choose it. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.